Okay, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning, January 7th. Supposedly we got a lot of snow. Let's go see how it was. You guys ever walk in big snow before? You want to go walk in big snow? Go pee-pee time? Come on, let's see how you do. Oh, look at that. Puppies! Mel can't even walk. It's as tall as you. Miles. You're buried in the snow. It's like 2 feet. Oh my God. Go ahead, go pee-pee time. Is that how you walk in the snow, buddy? Huh? Go pee-pee time now. Now hurry up. Go ahead, girl. Go pee, little boy. What a good boy. He's buried in the snow. You can't even see him. Look. You can't see the puppy. Just his head sticking out. Go pee-pee time, little boy. Oh my God. Wait, that's not a lot of snow. Look at the puppy. You can't even see him. Look how he has to hop like a rabbit through the snow. You go pee, Mel? Go pee-pee time. Hurry up. Go pee. Good boy, little boy. Look at him trying to get through the snow. He's buried in the snow, buddy. Go pee-pee, Mel. Hurry up. Go poo-poo.